In our childhood, many stories conceal profound truths of the universe hidden right before our eyes. Let's take a closer look at the journey of the sun, cleverly woven into the tale of Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, in a quiet village near the mysterious Black Forest, lived a young woman named Little Red Riding Hood. Her life mirrored the sun's path during the summer. When the sun stands high in the sky, it traverses 3 constellations: Cancer, the Mother, Leo, the Lion, and Virgo, the Virgin. Little Red's story mirrors these celestial themes. First, she enjoys the nurturing safety of her mother's care, symbolizing Cancer, the Mother. Second, she experiences the joys of life, playfulness, and youthful experience, mirroring Leo, the Lion. Third, she embodies the purity of the Virgin, before her journey into the cold and dreary wilderness, reminiscent of the fall from Eden. She, like Adam and Eve, requires clothing, a coat of skins. Interestingly, Adam means red in Hebrew, linking to her vibrant red cloak. This garment symbolizes the mortal flesh we assume in this life. One sunny morning, her mother handed her a basket filled with treats, including a bottle of wine, and asked her to visit her ailing grandmother. This basket holds great symbolism, representing Little Red Riding Hood herself. Her attire, resembling a sunset, connects her to the Libra constellation. Libra marks the sun's descent into darkness, coinciding with the grape ripening, the season of wine, akin to the bottle she carries. Her journey into the Black Forest mirrors the sun's descent south of the equator. To understand Little Red's journey better, let's delve into the first 2 zodiac signs during the fall season. First, Libra, symbolizing Little Red Riding Hood and her journey. An interesting detail is that a Decan constellation of Libras is Lupus, the wolf, which she encounters soon after entering the Black Forest. Second, Scorpio, associated with the sting of death, trials, greed, and betrayal, the wolf initially appears friendly, gathering information about Little Red's destination and intentions. Continuing the tale, the wolf reaches her grandmother's cottage first, devouring her and adopting her appearance. As we approach the next part of the story, let's explore the next zodiac sign along the sun's path, deeper into the darkness. First, Sagittarius, symbolized by the archer with a bow and arrow akin to a huntsman who plays a vital role in this story. Sagittarius represents the last burst of warmth before winter, the time when the sun reaches the deepest point in the underworld. Symbolized by the winter solstice in Capricorn, this marks the darkest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, when the sun's light is swallowed up. In the story, Little Red reaches her grandmother's cottage where the wolf impersonates her grandmother, echoing the sun's transition from Sagittarius to Capricorn. Their exchange mirrors the Scorpio theme, with the wolf's deceitful responses. "Granny, what big ears you have! All the better to hear you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big nose you have! All the better to smell you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big teeth you have! All the better to eat you with." Then the wolf swallows Little Red whole, symbolizing the sun's path from Sagittarius to the Capricorn transition, as it's swallowed in darkness. Nearby, a heroic hunter, similar to the bow and arrow wielding constellation Sagittarius, hears the commotion and comes to their rescue, representing the humanitarian qualities of Aquarius, which comes after Sagittarius and Capricorn in the sky. Then the following constellations on the sun's path are Pisces and Aries. Pisces contains themes of water and rebirth, symbolizing water baptism. Aries, the lamb, represents new life and the start of another cycle, symbolizing the sun's return to the zodiac's brighter half. The sun in its travels reaches Taurus, the fatted cow, a theme of the good pleasures of the earth which Granny and Little Red finally get to experience what is in the basket of treats. And finally, the sun reaches Gemini, symbolizing duality and friendship, as Little Red reunites with her grandmother. The story comes full circle as the sun completes its journey around the zodiac and returns to Cancer, the mother, yet this time with her grandmother, a version of the same archetype except a cycle older and wiser, a theme that also relates to Little Red Riding Hood and the growth she made from her journey. These timeless fairy tales, like Little Red Riding Hood, have endured for generations because they contain the secrets of creation and the universe's eternal flow.